Namaste students. Today's concept is computational thinking for grade 5. Chapter 1, We the Travelers. The question is, which of the following can be implied if the given statement is true? The statement is a 5-digit number formed using single-digit whole numbers. Using single digit whole numbers, which means digits from 1 to 9, such that unit digit is even, which means the first digit can be 0 or 2 or 4, 6, 8. The units digit is even and all remaining digits are odd. So the possibilities are it can be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, like all other digits. Great. Option 1 tells us the number definitely lies between 11,111 and 99,999. Let's verify this. Okay. So as the first digit need to be even, let me start with 0, and all other digits need to be odd. Let me go with 1, the first odd number. In that case, 1, 1, 1, 1. There is no condition that the digits can't be repeated. No statement says you that the digits can't be repeated. Okay, it's just a 5-digit number formed using single digit. Okay, so there is no restriction to repeat the digits, which means my first number would be 11110, which is 11,110, and which is less than the given number. So option A is not the right answer. Great. Coming to the next option, option B, that is the number formed can be multiple of 100. As you see the given number here, it can't be the multiple of 100, as not always, as the last digit, only the last digit is 0, and you're allowed to use only one even digit. That means it is not going to be multiple of 100. The number is not going to be multiple of 100, as only one even number is allowed. Great. Coming to the next, okay, let me go with this. The option D first, because it's easy to understand. The sum of the digits is not divisible by 2. Is not divisible by 2. Okay, the sum of digits. Let me add 1, 1, 1, 1, and 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 0 is still 4, which is divisible by 2. But the statement says the sum of digit is not divisible. So I believe it's not gonna be option D. Great. Obviously it's C. And let's understand the statement here. The sum of digits of the largest such number is 44. Okay. What is this such number? Such number is the units place, that's ones place. should be an even number. Since they are talking about the largest number, let this be with 8. Okay, the largest even number. And all other numbers need to be odd. Units digit is even and all remaining digits are odd. Since it is odd, let me go with the largest odd number, which is 9999. So this is the largest number which can satisfy the given condition. And let us find the sum now. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 plus 9, it's gonna be 36. 36 plus 8, it's gonna be 44. And hence, the sum of the digits of the largest such number is 44. Okay, yeah, we go with the next question. Rohan revealed his 5-digit phone password in a code word to Rajesh, where all the digits are natural numbers. Then which of the following statements are sufficient to crack the code? Great. Here we go. Statement 1 states that one of these digits is 1 and 2 appears thrice in the password. Okay. The next statement says that the first digit is smaller than all other digits and the second digit is smaller than third digit. Okay. In that case, let us consider a 5-digit number. The statement 1 says one of these digits is 1. Okay, it can be anywhere, isn't it? Either at the first place, second place, third place, fourth place, or the fifth place. One of its digit is 1. And 2 appears thrice. Okay, let me say 2, 2, 2. Great. But there are, 4 numbers, and still we are in need of one more number. According to the statement 1 of these digits is 1 and 2 appears thrice, and still we are in need of one more digit, and that can be anything from 0 to 9, as it is natural number and a 5-digit number, so we have options from 0 to 9. Okay, but the second statement says that the first digit is smaller than all other digits. The first digit is smaller than all other digits. Obviously, the first digit is 1. It can't be 0, then that cannot be a 5-digit number, isn't it? If the beginning first digit is 0, it can't be a 5-digit number, so the first digit is 1. Second digit is smaller than the third. Second digit is smaller than the third. In that case, maybe the second digit be 2, which is greater than the first digit, smaller than the third digit. Let me take third digit as 3 for now. And it's going to be very easy. The other one maybe 4 and 5. Yeah, but there is another problem. Why should it be like 1, 2, 3? Can't it be 7, 8, 9? First digit is smaller than the second is smaller than the third, maybe, isn't it? There are some possibilities. Let's go with the third statement. The largest digit in the password is 3. Great. Then, as 3 is the largest digit, we are going to stick with the first option. That's 1, 2, 3. The largest digit is 3. Great. And remaining, we want 2 more digits. And the statement 3, we'll go through the statement 3 once again. The largest digit in the password is 3. and it appears only once. We stick with this, and here the first digit is smaller than all other digits. First digit is smaller than all other digits, so this is also fixed. Obviously the remaining two will be like, 2 digits. I mean, 2 digits are 2. Okay, so I believe that statement 2 and 3 are sufficient to crack the code, so I go with the option B. Believe you understood. Okay, the next question is, what will come in place of question mark? Here we have 5 digits, 83275, and here too we have 5 digit, 1 2 3 4 5. I believe that the numbers on the right side are the numbers arranged in ascending order. So here we have 2 3 5 7 8. Okay, the second set of numbers are the numbers which are arranged in ascending order. Okay, in that case, I guess here we have 4 6 7 8 9. You're right, 4 6 7 8 9. And the third set of numbers, it's again 3 5 6 7 and 9. Great. So I believe the answer it's gonna be something like 1 2 4 5 8. But there is a problem. Some numbers are in squares, some numbers are in circles, some numbers are shaded actually. Okay, what is this exactly? Okay, why are they shaded? What is a pattern? What is the reason behind this? Let's check here. When you arrange this in ascending order, it's like 2 3 2 3 5 7 8. 3 is shaded, 3 is shaded, at the same time 7 is shaded. Okay, let me go with the next number is 4 4 6 7 8 9, and as you see 4 is shaded and 9 is shaded. Okay, I guess I found the pattern here. Let me cross check once. The next number set is 3 3 5 6 7 9, and 5 is shaded here. Only 5 is shaded. Okay, the pattern behind this is very simple. Here we go with the pattern. As you see, 3 is in the same position, 7 remains in its position, same in the second set, 4 remains in the same position, and 9 remains in the same position. The third set of numbers, 5, only 5 is in its position, all other numbers have changed its position. Okay, in that case, if I have to note down this in ascending order, 1, 2, 4, 5, and comes 8. So 2 is in its position, 5 remains in its position. So 2 should be shaded and 5 to be shaded. The option is C. 2 is shaded and 5 is also shaded. In that case, option C is the right answer. Option C. Good one. The next question is as on the screen. A 5-digit number is formed such that all digits are different and the sum of all digits is 10, what is the highest digit this number can have? Okay, let me consider a placeholder of 5 digits. Good one. And now it is a 5-digit number. All the digits are different. I can't start with 0, as you know, that won't be the 5-digit number, isn't it? Great, great. In that case, let me start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 5-digit number. Okay, if this is a 5-digit number, the next condition is that sum of all digits is 10. Obviously, it's not going to be 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, using 1, 2, 3, 4, we have satisfied the condition that it's going to be 10. In that case, let me remove the 5 and mark 0 over there. Is this a 5-digit number? Obviously 5-digit number. And is the sum of the digit is equal to 10? Yes, it is. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 0, still it's 10. Okay, I guess the condition is satisfied and the highest digit, the highest digit in my number is 4, option B. Great. We go with the next question. Using the instructions given below, form two numbers. Okay, we'll have to form two numbers. There are conditions. Okay, the first condition, the first instruction is that largest 5-digit number. Let me take a 5-digit holder. Using the digits in 5-sided figures. Okay, agreed. 5-sided figure. Let's mark the 5-sided figure. It's over here. 7, 9, 4, 3, 8, and 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there, and I want just 5 digits. So let me choose the largest number, largest digit, as they have asked me to form largest 5-digit number. 9, I go with 9, then 8, okay, then 7, okay, 7 is done. Then I go with 4, okay, then I go with 3. A 5-digit number is done. Let's move on to the next instruction or the condition. Form the smallest 3-digit number, smallest 3-digit number using the digits in circles. Okay. In that case, let's have a placeholder of 3 digits. Okay, it's 1056. Since there was the smallest, then I go with the smallest number. That's 1, as we can't take 0. Then now I can take 0. Then I go with 5. So 105. Okay, a 3-digit number. And I believe we haven't repeated any of the digits without repeating any digit in both the cases. Okay. What is the sum of two numbers formed? The sum, okay, 8, 4, 8, 8, 9, and I go with option D. Good one. Okay, let's meet in the next session.